phrased version of your content, tailored for a client conversation. Understanding your life insurance needs. As your advisor, I want to make sure we're exploring all aspects of how life insurance can benefit you and your family. Rather than starting with what you think you can afford, let's flip the script and begin by understanding what true financial security would look like for your loved ones. Here are some questions I often discuss with my clients to help us get a clear picture. 1. If life insurance didn't cost a thing, how much would you want your family to receive? This question helps us identify the true financial value your life provides to your family. It's about focusing on the problem life insurance solves first, and then we can work backward to find a solution that fits your budget. 2. What's your current understanding of life insurance and how it works? This is a great opportunity for us to talk openly. Many people view life insurance solely as death insurance, but it can offer so much more. By hearing your perspective, I can better guide you through all the ways it can support your financial goals. 3. What financial responsibilities would your loved ones be left with if you were no longer here tomorrow? Let's take a moment to reflect on this. Things like your mortgage, existing debts, college expenses, or even just maintaining your family's current lifestyle are all important considerations. This isn't about creating fear, but rather bringing clarity to potential real-life consequences. 4. How long would your family need financial support if you were no longer here? Knowing this helps us tailor the right solution for you. Would they need support for 5 years, 20 years, or even longer? Your answer will influence whether term or permanent coverage is more suitable and helps us build the right structure for your plan. 5. If you became seriously ill or injured and couldn't work, what would the financial impact be on your family? This brings us to what we call living benefits. Many people aren't aware that life insurance can also provide financial support while you're alive. We can discuss options like critical illness, chronic illness, and terminal illness riders that can offer a safety net during challenging times. 6. Beyond just replacing your income, what else would you want life insurance to do for your family? This is where we can think about your legacy. Would you want to ensure your home is paid off, guarantee your children's college education, or simply leave behind a strong financial foundation? This helps us dream bigger about what you want to achieve for your family. 7. Do you currently have any life insurance? If so, do you know what it covers, and what it doesn't? It's common for people to have workplace policies or older coverage they haven't reviewed in a while. This is a great chance for me to show you my value as your advisor and help you identify any potential gaps in your existing coverage. 8. If you were to pass away tomorrow, how long would it take your family to recover financially? This question gets at the real cost of being unprepared, not just emotionally, but economically. Having the right protection in place can provide significant peace of mind. 9. Who would be financially affected by your passing, and in what ways? Let's get specific. Is it your spouse, your children, your parents, or even business partners? Thinking about the specific individuals who depend on you financially can help us connect emotionally and practically to their needs. 10. If you knew for sure something would happen to you tomorrow, would you feel confident in your current financial plan? This is a bit of a gut check question. If there's any hesitation here, it's often a good sign that it's time to take action and ensure your plan truly reflects your wishes. My goal with these questions is to create clarity and build trust, not to put any pressure on you. Whether you're exploring life insurance for the first time or reviewing existing coverage, these questions can serve as a helpful guide. Do any of these questions resonate with you, or perhaps bring to mind something else you'd like to discuss? It sounds like you're really interested in understanding the living benefits aspect of life insurance, and that's a fantastic area to explore. Many people don't realize this is even an option, so let me break it down for you in a clear way. You're absolutely right. Life insurance with living benefits is designed to provide you with financial support while you are still alive, if you experience a qualifying health event. Here's how it generally works. Imagine your life insurance policy has a death benefit, the amount that would typically be paid out to your loved ones after you pass away. With living benefits, if you're diagnosed with a serious illness like cancer, have a heart attack, or suffer a major accident, you may be able to access a portion of that death benefit while you are still living. This is often referred to as accelerating your death benefit. What kind of illnesses or conditions usually qualify? These benefits typically cover what are called critical, chronic, or terminal illnesses. Critical illness. This often includes conditions like cancer, heart attack, stroke, major organ transplant, kidney failure, and a list of other specific illnesses, depending on the policy. Chronic illness. This usually means you're unable to perform a certain number of activities of daily living, ADLs, such as bathing, dressing, eating, continence, toileting, or transferring, or you have a severe cognitive impairment. This is often associated with the need for long-term care. Terminal illness. This means you've been diagnosed with an illness that is expected to result in death within a certain time frame, typically 12 or 24 months, depending on your state's regulations and the policy. How can you use this money? This is where the flexibility comes in. Once you receive these funds, you can use them for virtually anything you need. As you mentioned, this could include paying medical bills, covering deductibles, co-pays, or treatments not fully covered by your health insurance, paying off your mortgage or other debts, reducing financial stress during a difficult time, replacing lost income, if your illness prevents you from working, making home modifications, to accommodate a new health condition, hiring in-home care, to assist with daily living, or simply maintaining your lifestyle, allowing you to focus on recovery without immediate financial worries. Regarding the tax aspect, you hit on a very important point. In most cases, the money you receive from living benefits, as an accelerated death benefit, is income tax-free under current tax laws, and it generally does not need to be reported to the IRS. This is because it's considered an advancement of your life insurance death benefit, which is typically tax-exempt. However, it's always wise to consult with a tax professional for your specific situation. The big takeaway is peace of mind. These living benefits mean your life insurance isn't just about what happens after you're gone. It's also about protecting you and your family while you're here, providing a financial lifeline during some of life's most challenging moments. Does that explanation clarify how living benefits work for you? That's an excellent point, and it's crucial for my clients to understand this. You're absolutely right. You generally don't have to wait years to access your living benefits. This isn't money that's locked away for some distant future. Here's the key. Once your life insurance policy with living benefits is in force, these benefits are typically available to you as soon as you experience a qualifying event. This could be a month, a year, or even just a short time after you've secured the coverage. For example, if you're diagnosed with a critical illness like cancer, suffer a heart attack, or even experience a severe injury from something like a major car accident that leads to a qualifying condition, like paralysis or traumatic brain injury, depending on your policy's definitions, you could potentially access these benefits very quickly. The important thing is that the illness or injury occurs after your policy's effective date. There isn't typically a long, waiting period that prevents you from using these benefits if a covered event happens shortly after you get the policy. Some policies might have a short elimination period, e.g., 30 or 90 days, after diagnosis for certain chronic illnesses before benefits begin, but this is different from waiting years to even be eligible. This is a powerful feature because it means your life insurance can be a financial lifeline precisely when you need it most. When you're facing a serious health crisis and need immediate financial support to cover medical bills, lost income, or simply maintain your family's financial stability. Does that help clarify the immediacy of these benefits?
Medical costs are the number one cause of bankruptcy, but it doesn't have to be that way.
The life insurance policies I offer come with living benefits at no extra cost, meaning you can access money from your policy at the same time you're still alive if you're diagnosed with a critical, chronic, or terminal illness. That money can be used to cover medical bills, long-term care, or even everyday expenses, so you don't drain your savings or go into debt to survive. Protect your health and your finances. Call or text me at 910-447-6508 to learn how it works.